What would happen if GTA 6 were to launch and all the apps icons were redesigning with a GTA 6 theme? Today I am going to transform all of these apps icons into a GTA 6 style. First I added an aqua colored circle. Then I brushed a little purple at the bottom and pink at the top. After that I erased a few areas at the top to give it a textured look. Then I added a Spotify icons. Spotify has 3 icons, so I placed them right here. After that I added few waves to give it a more 3-dimensional look. Then I removed a few areas to make the designing look more futuristic. After that I added coconut trees. Then I added a stable berry color to the background. After that I applied this texture and added a subtle shadow to the designing. Then I added a slight highlight to the upper area, and after completing all these steps, this is what our icon looks like in a GTA 6 inspired style. So the next one is YouTube. First I added the YouTube icon here. After that I selected the triangle in the center, copied it and then added a background. I gave the background a slightly pinkish tone. Then I added a little aqua color to the lower part of the background. I added some coconut trees and duplicated them. Then I added a few buildings. I lowered their opacity and erased certain areas so they would look like they were further away in the distance. After that I made some adjustment and darkened the buildings slightly. I changed their color to aqua. I also created another copy and changed the second one to pink. After that I replaced the center triangle with a steel-like texture. Then I added some stable bevels to give the designing a more 3-dimensional look. Next I added pink to the edges of the triangles and aqua to the upper section, so the color would match the overall color palette of the image. After that I added few stable shadows to make the designing look more realistic. Then I added background and give it slightly aqua tone. I also added a stable drop shadow underneath the icon. And after completing all these steps, the YouTube icon looks like this in GTA 6 theme. So the next, Netflix. So I placed the Netflix logo right in the center. After that I gave it slightly pinkish tone. Then I used a few gradients to enhance the aqua color of the logo, because as you know Netflix is expected to feature some GTA 6 trailers, gameplay or related content. So I wanted to make the Netflix logo look even more interesting and visually appealing. That's why I'm enhancing it with a GTA 6 inspired look. After that I slightly erased some areas to blend everything together more naturally. Then I added a few texture here to give it the designing more depth. After that I added a GTA 6 character and slightly erased parts of it blend into the designing. Then I added this texture. I applied it using a mask and lightly brushed it over different parts of the logo. After that I added some coconut trees and slightly adjust their colors. Then I added a few shiny effects to make the designing look more polished. I also added a stable highlight and glow to the background to enhance the logo even further. After completing all these steps, this is how our Netflix logo into GTA 6 theme. So the next, Instagram. First I added a night sky as the background. As you know GTA 6 has that icon pink toned visual style. After that I added a glowing moon. Then I cut out certain parts of the moon to give it a more futuristic look. Options and change its color to yellow. Then I added a stable glow. I also added a little shine to certain areas to make them stand out. After that I added a grid and gave the lower section a stable blue tone. Then to create a highlight, I added a soft glow to the center. I darkened some of the areas towards of the bottom and more depth. After that I added the Instagram icon and then I added a stable glow to the icon. After that I added some coconut trees and give them a slightly dark pink tone. Then I added another background texture. I also changed the background a slightly pinkish tone. After that I added a stable glow to enhance the logo, and that's it. As you can see, this is Instagram with a GTA 6 inspired style. So the next, Discord. First I added the Discord icon. After that I added a background and give it a slightly pinkish tone. Then I changed the icon's colors to blue and added some stable bevels along with the drop shadow. After that I applied a few texture here to give it the designing more depth. Then I added a coconut tree and duplicated it, placed it on the other side. After that I added a sun flare and made a few adjustments using the levels. Then I manually drew a ground area to build up the scene. After that I added a futuristic car and slightly lowered its its opacity. Then I added a few birds to make the scene feel more dynamic. Finally, I added another background layer, and after completing everything, you can see the final result. So the next, what's up? First I changed the icon to a pinkish red color. Then I used a gradient for the background. I made the lower part a slightly darker pink and kept the upper section a lighter pink. After that, I duplicated the layer and slightly changed its color to create a beveled look. Then I added the WhatsApp logo and changed its color to give it a light glow. After that, I added some shading and highlighted the upper area to create a more three-dimensional look with a stable shine. Then I added a stroke around the icon and applied some stable shadows. After that, I added some coconut trees and changed all of them to a golden color. Then I manually created a path similar to a small island landscape and give it the same golden color. After that, I added a sun and finally added some wavels. Then I added this background texture. And after completing all these steps, this is WhatsApp icon turned out with GTA inspired style. And the next, Google Chrome. So first I added the Google Chrome icon. I gave the lower section a pinkish tone and used an aqua blue color of the upper section. Then I applied a few texture here and slightly erased some areas. After that, I darkened the surrounding areas to add some stable shading. Then I added a soft glow to the circular area in the center. I also added a water effect at the bottom, creating to underwater look. After that, I added a coconut tree and erased parts of it to blend it to the scene. Then I added a black ground area and painted the tree with an aqua color. I also gave the lower center area a pink color. After that, I added a black stroke and applied an effect to give it an pixelated look. Then I duplicated the tree and placed it in another area to the designing. After that, I added a sun and applied some shading to it. I added stable orange tone around the sides. Then I added some buildings and changed their color to pink to give them a GTA 6 inspired look. I added some pink cutout details to make the sun look more futuristic. Then I duplicated the buildings and placed them in another area. This time I changed their color to an aqua blue tone. After that, I added a car and painted it black areas pink. Then I painted the white areas with an aqua color. After that, I manually drew a person who looked like they are driving in the car. Finally, I added the GTA 6 logo in the center. I added a stable glow to the background to enhance the logo. After that, I added some coconut tree leaves and gave them a black stroke. Then I duplicated the leaves and placed them in different areas of the designing. After that, I added the final background and applied another texture over it. And after completing all these steps, here is Google Chrome icon, GTA 6 inspired style. Let me know in the comments which icon you do like the most and which icon you do like me to create next. If there's a particular movie, poster or anything else you do like to see, be sure to let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching.